Nega muno na mbere guikarana na thini wa tabarira ino ya bitika iharo-ini ni mwaria maundu megi uhoro wa mathako ma mahenya mwina murithi na mundu witwo Mugure wa Karuiro rira tuthie ihenya na tukambire na ngucanio cia NSL ni ligi ire koragwo thutha wa Kenya Premier League guku Kenya na niyo tuheaga timu ithatu iria cikoraga kwambatira hari kaingira Premier League kuria rora citagwo Championship no kuni NSL National Super League tajira tiri mundu witwo Isia ni njui timu iria wendete muno ya kuria kwanyu mucii kuria Embu ni njui taru nginya mwe hariri mugathie kiharo Sand kia Moi Stadium kuria Embu Town 3K FC.
Just 2 seasons thini wa National Premier League I mean NSL tukaingia thini wa Premier League because 62 points after 31 matches woni kuga we have 7 matches to go na only Migori Youth na Mombasa United are better ongeroria muthako wetu wa since January. The last time we lost was January. The rest of the matches we have won 3K FC na draw imwe peke yake. The other loss was in the FKF Cup kwa Bandari FC team ya Premier League. But from January matches ya NSL we have not lost a match.
Na rumuragira kana timu ya mucie neighbors. No mamuthukirie.
Well, makoro mena kamenyeri gacoku muno na thui but this time round Moi Stadium tunawaambia come baby come. Ni
mugathie kiharo Sunday.
I'll be there.
Tature Mugure
ari matihotaga Fortune Sacco ona me kwao Embu. Fosa nekoro egucanio thaka muno.
Mamuhotagira kwanyu. Na mage muhotagira ni mekumuthukiria i.
Mahotagirwo kwao.
But looking at the runs high, team in a form the best form in the NSL entirely. In fact not even number 1 number 2 men are better run than 3K FC. No kinyongero kinya goal difference. Even number 1 number 2 but in a better goal difference than 3K FC. We are enjoying form of our life. At this time round watanisamee sana hawa.
Kogo niro na kuligana murugamo wa NSL Rehana Migori United Migori Youth na Nairobi na Mombasa United
right
na 3K
yes
they go qualify
because the automatic 3 slots qualification kwa ina regulation ya rutirwe season ile kiambiriria ya kurutovora playoffs
na baada tutiagathaka
na number the last 17 and 18 this time around it's going to be automatic qualification and that's what you want 3K FC Migori Youth na Mombasa United
kabisa tutigana na icio tuthie Kenya Premier
no ni hako Fortune Sacco Direction ikahota muthenya wa Sunday
to hit prediction
yes
we are going to beat them 2-0
no haya tuthie Kenya Premier League Gor Mahia thaka na timu betwo Kenya Police defending champion na Gor Mahia do point mugwanja ngucanio iria matigaritie mathakite ngucanio cigana
imeenda because it 5 matches na ongeroria Gor Mahia FC Leopards maina chance ya gwitera vanini ndio mathakire na Gor Mahia they lost na nikuga now the destiny is in Gor's hands kwa vandu bakinyaga ukinauga they have smelt blood na matingerekereria kwena new slogan digwe maletwa Nyamurithi
Gor Nyamurithi ndirona karibu kana na
Nyamurithi they eat raw the way it is
etari nduge
yes
the kogo Gor Mahia Kenya Premier League is almost gone to Gor Mahia
absolutely it's a story ya Gor Mahia na gweciria the only sad story githinji no kurika na timu ya Sofapaka 2009 champions then they are officially relegated ni a very painful story after ya miaka mingi muno ya Eli Kalekwa na timu yo from all the way from Congo alikuwa sponsor team ya a Kenyan team na ikoro ikaweka muno thini wa Premier League even when sometimes played thini wa CAF Continentals na at the end of the day they
na ikira hothirite makiri ya bilioni imwe miaka yothe 10 very sad haya nituthie kuria Ngeretha ri kwina ngucanio guthakwo weekend nigetha turigie na Champions League rucio Liverpool igathaka na Chelsea
hizo ni timu igerezi they are struggling big time ni wanajikongoja wanatembea kwa mkongojo na I think maybe Liverpool is going to carry the day ngesi you know ongeroja Chelsea they have been very clueless kuma ria manager wao Maresca akorwa akivutwa wira abakirete Rosinia he was clueless rĩu atigirwo areto McFarlane nike so clueless
timahote to mifire tara running
I don't think Liverpool are also doing badly but gweciria bakoro mena a better chance against
Mugure twire Liverpool Chelsea
Liverpool
Liverpool Chelsea?
Liverpool of course.
Haya, tutiguthi mibira yonge yothe. Sunderland Manchester United. Sunderland iko Stadium of Light.
Manchester sahi they are enjoying themselves.
Manchester.
They have a good form.
They are enjoying a good form. Makorete made a very calm season, not a lot of work to do. Na ngwezi makoro makirikiriria strong. Ndino ni Michael Carrick the interim manager kiuga anaendelea overall kuvewa position hiyo yake ya manager in a permanent role more than finishing strongly.
Haya, another match that is very important. Man City Brentford. Man City imoshie. Mugure.
The bees are going to sting.
The bees were gonna sting the Citizen.
No tihede tiritarere. Tiritarere megutusamehe onao.
Haya, Sunday is the big one for Arsenal. Arsenal gathaka na West Ham United magathi kiharo kiao kiria kia stadium kia Olympic Stadium. Koguo Arsenal ya away no ni London. Ni ndakuria mibira yothe Arsenal tigitie rathakirwo
London.
Kana ni away kana ni home no ni London.
Ni London.
West Ham.
How
important is the match?
Because they want to survive. It's very important for them. Na Makorete made a very good form by the way since maybe February. Makorete made a very good form, but Arsenal maramenya they need this match so much no do that title. So it's only a very serious match no. It's a relegation battle for West Ham. It's a title battle for Arsenal.
Yuma ni unanigo matha mwathiri wanyu na rithira nyigatari. Barcelona ni ramenya yahota Real Madrid kwao Sunday. Niyo ya ligi.
Na watawapiga.
El Clasico.
Watawapiga.
Real Madrid ana lake.
Mena kills nyingi muno. Players are fighting each other.
Ndio lagiza marasari signature ya kuiga Mbappe.
There are a lot of kills. Chouameni walipigana juzi. I mean,
kia mwisho pio na ni second 10. Arsenal irathaka na PSG final ya Champions League.
PSG.
Kono wewe Arsenal giredire macamani na Bayern kana PSG. Wewe kwa wewe Arsenal ona tiko wewe Arsenal.
Nigetha PSG etetere gikombe kiayo.
No, we wanted PSG.
Wewe mu Arsenal pio.
Because we want to pay. Mena thiri yetu. Last season ndio matulitire thini wa semis. And we want to pay back.
How big is that match in Budapest?
It's big match. Na ngweziria one of the things adbara overall a very good striking force ya PSG. But they're forgetting that through the campaign, Arsenal have get about 6 only.
Twalikia ndio amatha
ndanyita. Unbeaten.
Unbeaten.
Not with that ciana iko guo ni matha matu marega gutwitikiria twike guo ugohoro no geithanie kuria kwa Embu.
Ni ngukethanie muno kuria gwetu mwana wa Embu ni mere Sunday twako twa muthini wa ngucanio ya Fossa na 3KFC will be there to support my team na we are wishing the team all the best. Njoke mbuge rusi thini wa michezo na burudani kule mwana wa Radio Citizen, we meet there.
Nitawasikiza na munisalimie kwa radio.
Tunaku hi.
Nigado muiroreri tugatugana rucio tabarĩri-inĩ ya kwanduka thaa 10 nginya thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Na by the way before tugite ri bado tutage gukorwo kwa Friday ri ndari kura kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a betika cia Chairman's Cup cia muthithi wa
ndakuonire hau
na ciari na twari andu kwari andu ngi muno na uhoro ucio kimakia muno makiria rucio thini wa tabarĩri ya kwanduka ngakona Chairman's Bravo na Sadi. Sisi lazima tukashikilie Fossa.
Haya, thank you. Nagwa ushia Fossa na wewe 3K. Friday ile ngire nigamenya no rake ni no thana kana. Asante sana kwa kukuja. Tumana mudogo to Jacob Bishia koragwo mwandiki wa mohoro kwa mathako guku kwa Royal Media Services odumo na mugure wa Karoiro ile twitaga Super Lady na ndakwira icia egukite kunyitira mudogo to Festus Barak uria urathie na mbere na gucakaya gikuo kia mami wao nigucianitwo kucota kujoini nake thutha wa show ciukite ni reke ndikirie hau nigetha tondora mundu so Mike Jenga tayari nigetha kaikaria gitike njikari iria twarithia tabarira yake muri na mbere gĩa na weekend njega tuonane muthenya wa Jumatatu hindi ya Inoro rucini.